Oh my gosh, that concert was so good. It was fire. Like that concert was lit.
You say fire?
We say fire or lit or turned up.
Concert did turn up, or you can say the whole place shell.
Shell. The whole place shell.
Party shell.
Me never remember that one. Sorry, cut. Just kidding. Wait a minute. Shell? What that mean?
Like shell? Like when you have peanuts, right? Or
I don't eat that. I'm allergic.
so we can make
Sunflower seeds.
Yeah, scratch from talking about it.
Yes. You saw how itchy I got? Just
Peanut butter jelly time. Stop. Like anything we have shell. It's shell until you get to the good part. So the whole place shell. Backside. Jamaica.
Okay. So let me make it make sense, right? You said like when you're eating a peanut, which I would never do. But if you're eating a peanut, the shell is the part that you throw away, right? And you get to what's on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
If the whole place is shell, then the whole place is not the good part. You feel me? Like that's just what makes sense to me.
It's shell. It just backside.
Irrelevant. You feel me? The shell is always irrelevant. So
The
if the
whole
whole
place
place shell,
shell.
then the whole place is awful.
Shelly. It's shelly. Like it. Oh, them could have talked about rice. Wait. You know-
You don't what you mean?
Oh, wait, you get it?
No, literally. Like, you get it?
Rice. When they make rice, and it no plaka or like mushy. I'm failing miserably. Jamaica, wait.
When it pluck.
Well, I forget this. Come. Try one more time. Take 3. Me a cry. All right. You ever make rice? Well, I know. Leave it. You ever?
I'm sorry. The more you say rice, the more.
Safi or plaka, and then you have some days when your rice just like you can it's shelly. Your rice never shelly.
I never make rice.
You know cook.
No.
Oh,
Y'all see my look? We've got it today, bro. Literally. Why am I making rice?